Learned public prosecutor is directed to call for the case diary. Learned government advocate submits that he has not received the copies of appeals so far. Therefore, learned counsel for the appellants is directed to supply the copies of appeals. Counsel for the appellant does not want to press the present appeal at this stage and seeks liberty to move fresh bail application before the concerned court after recording of the statement of material witnesses. Accordingly, criminal miscellaneous bail application number 253/2021 is dismissed as withdrawn. During the course of investigation, the accused were arrested and after completion of investigation, the police filed challan under sections 147, 148, 149, 302 read with section 34 IPC. Charges framed against the accused number 2, 25 for offences under sections 147, 148, 149 and 302, 149 IPC and against accused number 1 for offences under sections 147, 148 and 302 IPC. The accused denied the charges and claimed to be tried. In support of its case, the prosecution produced as many as witnesses and also got 49 documents exhibited from Exhibit P1 to Exhibit P49. The accused were examined under Section 313 CRPC. They did not produce any witnesses in their defense, however, produced 7 documents. Those documents were exhibited as Exhibit D1 to Exhibit D7. When the investigating officer reached there, he found the injured lying by the side of the highway and his motorcycle was also lying there in damaged condition. The injured was shifted to hospital. It is argued that the facts would reveal that it was a case of accident. The petitioner has preferred this writ petition wherein he has pointed out that he was appointed as athletic coach on 28/1/1980 and was promoted to the post of senior athletic coach on 22/2/1990. It is submitted that he was due to the promoted on the post of chief coach, but a charge sheet was served on him under Rule 16 of the Rajasthan Civil Service Rules 1958, void memorandum dated 20/11/1996, wherein allegations labelled against him were with regard to remaining on leave without permission as well as with regard to participating in elections without seeking prior permission. The petitioner participated in the inquiry proceedings and submitted his reply on 10/3/1997 and contested the allegations before the inquiry officer. The inquiry officer submitted its inquiry report on 21/7/1997. Copy of the inquiry report was made available to the petitioner, who was asked to submit his representation thereafter. After examining his representation, the Departmental Disciplinary Authority passed an order on 29/7/1998. Stop. 420 words.